mwanchu murigereri nigo kuganikoro ase abasai wetangana kisabu chimbe amariogo yogotindia nabo igo elio banyalkoba bakobekumukia sama abo nechingwana chia wa Kildanstan Omari chinga kenyara kobaga wikirana ase amora kelio no korwa engwana ya benego chia ase aborkwa weskuru ya Moi High School gesu unagutumonye muri Pito Daniel Ontiri
Erio koene kebuna aborokigwa bagendere gukina asubogima asegedini na samasomo umuruburio ogokorwa kiro mwaka asitam ya kabere eskuru ye secondary ya bamura ya Moi gesusu ye gotoke bonge ya Nyaribari Masaba miye county ya Kisii ekoragwa na James Mumanyi go litukuja lero yakora umuruburiga wa matuka tato ase bamwarigania omwakili Danstan Omari buno mogeni wesiko
moyogo yega go chagete chuma goikaigoro na rero ikeire litukoria okoyokora aiga se skuru yeito ya Moi gesusu nigo ere okogani goitokoranga abana abaiga twaborokereiri biya igekerenga kyo moyogo iyo no kworokereria abana ngakibagochora chikosi chingiya chigo chikoba amatumaini asa matukare mutwe bamanyanga kibago chichora elia kabere abana abaito asomorobirio yoiga igotoko baorokereria mangana yo bonyasaye asengenje yulitukoria gororie sabato ndwabwata abakwani bachita bagakwanira abana baiga egakogera kokina so bonyasaye na kikiragera abana abanyana ko babakogenderera nabo igotokurangeria aba members be community and the various professionals bachichaga iga bakwanira abana abaiga na kubaho gosemeringa na barabu na bakunyara kogendera buna abandi bagendereire.
In the education arena, we want all the stakeholders, parents, the students themselves, the teachers, and the public of goodwill to come together and support the education system, and especially now that we are transiting from the 844 to the competency-based education and the curriculum, that we need very heavy investments in terms of infrastructure, in terms of studios, playing fields, laboratories, workshops, and we cannot leave it to one sector alone. All of us must come together, combine our efforts so that we can build a strong education system for progress and prosperity.
Okwana chenga kicho Omari nigakwanira kugania kugutwara umuruburi ngabuniga na muno asaborokigwa asichinka negati yekisababu echo chikwerera aborokigwa asichinsemu gokora bo basa masomo nechinkwana bunichiga na kirakonye asogosira no nyenembwa yaborokigwa
twakwanire asomuntu bwege songo twakwanire omuntu bwege Swahili twakwanire omuntu bwege kegusi twakwanire ke Germany bali bako kwanire ke Germany twakwanire sign language elinde abana babaito kiagera abana bubako chikoba leaders baito ntwaba wakiri bona otore 21000 aba wakiri ngonya komenta bali no bakurwa abanyagetari nkomenta bali no bakurwa inwaba na habari no mugocha kurusia abantu ga abari mwabara no bago chakurwa
asenkwa naye Omari wegigati yali abolia aborokigwa gokania nechitoro chinga kibagenderete na masomo wetanga kurwa sobotumeki wa mariogo yogotindia umanya igorubuna bakoligia amachibu asemelindo yobogima nakoba maiso igoro yichikosi bagochora chingaki bakogendereria masomo abo
challenges inchiro chikoruka lakini chirema abana babuna bonse mubaruke babegete uniform igo babwe kaine lakini behind their families babwate challenges abari mu babwate department ya chaplain hansiga babwate guidance and counseling department siga chi department chi understand that social issue chigo impact on exams abari mu have done their best igo we have encouraged them to abairo chinguru chine kabisa abantu barabonse pio rochoro igorigo support yabana
eskurega yabamura ya Moi gesusu nigo yaberigati ekiskuru kiria kigokore buya ke masomo ase county ya Kisii nako basomo stali obosyo asogo chenche magema yaborokigwa.
We believe in ourselves.
Nkurubaterega taseni kyagatembe litrene ngurukwo Daniel Ontiri.